Today, we're delving into the captivating world of purple fountain grass, scientifically known as Pennisetum setaceum Rubrum, originally hailing from Africa. This grass has found its way into gardens worldwide, adding a touch of elegance and drama to landscapes and containers alike. Graceful arching blades range in color from deep green to rich burgundy, creating a visually stunning contrast. As it matures, feathery plumes emerge in a vibrant shade of purple, dancing gracefully in the breeze. This grass thrives in full sun, where its colors are most vivid, and it prefers well-draining soil. Its drought tolerance and low maintenance make it a fantastic addition to xeriscapes and water-wise gardens. Its striking foliage pairs beautifully with vibrant annuals like marigolds, zinnias, or even ornamental peppers. In larger landscapes, it harmonizes well with flowering shrubs like hydrangeas. Purple fountain grass is not just a plant. It's a statement. Its elegant plumes bring drama and movement to any landscape, making it a stunning focal point in garden beds, borders, or containers. Moreover, its cut plumes can be used in dried flower arrangements, adding a touch of natural elegance to your indoor decor. And there you have it, the captivating world of purple fountain grass, Pennisetum setaceum Rubrum. For more insights into gardening, farming, and the fascinating world of living organisms, don't forget to subscribe to our channels now. Like right now,